वह युद्ध जल्द हो सकता है। हमें उसके अनुसार अपनी तैयारियां करनी होगी और इस बार हमें मिलकर यह लड़ाई लड़नी होगी। देखिए, हम आपको बता दें, इसके अलावा सेना प्रमुख ने कहा है कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान सशक्त बलों को खुली छूट दी गई थी, सेना को फ्री हैंड दिया गया था, जिसके कारण ये आप कह सकते हैं ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमें इतनी सफलता मिली। आप तय करें। आर्मी चीफ ने यह भी कहा कि पहलगाम अटैक के बाद हम रक्षा मंत्री के साथ बैठे थे। इस दौरान रक्षा मंत्री ने कहा कि अब बहुत हो गया। तीनों सेनाएं प्रमुख इस बात पर एकमत थे कि कुछ किया जाना चाहिए, हमें फ्री हैंड दिया गया, जो करना है आप तय करें। यह राजनीतिक दिशा और स्पष्टता का एक ऐसा उदाहरण था जो हमने पहली बार देखा। देखिए, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर आर्मी चीफ ने कई बड़ी बातें कही हैं। क्या कुछ उन्होंने और कहा है, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
The next war which we are looking at, it may happen soon and we have to prepare accordingly, as already been brought out by director, that in this we have to fight this battle together. This non-kinetic has to be fought together. So what are the deductions? That as far as whole of nation approach will be there for the next war, it is not the military alone which will be fighting. Let me assure you very clearly in this issue. I think it's important, 22nd April, you're aware what happened in Pahalgam, and it actually shocked the nation. 23rd is the time when next day itself, we all sat down. And this is the first time which RM has also said, I think enough is enough. And all the three chiefs were very clear, something has to be done. And the free hand was given, of course, that you decide what is to be done. And that is the kind of a confidence with the political directions and political clarity for the first time we saw. And that's what made a difference, because we want to do a lot, but that kind of hand-holding and kind of free, no terms of restrictions, if I can say that. And that is what kind of raises up your morale. And that is how it helped our army commanders or commander-in-chiefs on ground to kind of act as per their wisdom. If you ask to a Pakistani whether you lost or won, you say, my chief has become field marshal, we must have won only, that's why he's become field marshal.